Meister Eckhart once said, "I will to will what God wills." That's such a powerful idea because it leads to something called mystical surrender. Mystical surrender is not the type of surrender that we are used to hearing about, this time of submissive surrender in which you just give up, right? It's not a giving up, it's a way in which you trust completely the universal consciousness, in which you surrender your need to control everything and just let everything flow. It's an act of courage because it's the moment in which you just take care of what you're going to do, right? You just take care of what's your role. You try to fulfill your destiny, but you do not stress about it. You do not feel pressure about it. You are free. And by surrendering in this manner is so counterintuitive because by surrendering this manner, you actually conquer. You conquer it all because you conquer your mind. And once you conquer your mind, you conquer all reality because all reality is manifested through your mind. And we could go way much depth into it, but I just don't want to get caught up in esoterical kind of lore and these ideas. I'd rather for you to experience it yourself. I'd rather for you to go deep into meditation, just experience what all this is, what the nature of reality is. And once you start doing that, once you start just going in depth into it, once you start reading more about it, once you start meditating into more depth, once you start doing things, I do recommend you, for example, to read a book called Reality Transurfing. And I do recommend you to go into Joe Dispenza's kind of stuff. It's going to help you a lot in that journey. And definitely, I'm I'm already on the fourth wave of the gateway experience. That one is pretty powerful. I do recommend you to go for it. It's really long, but if you are really committed to this path, you are actually going to make amazing progress, and you're going to discover a lot of things. And like I said in one of my previous videos, I do recommend you to read The Secret History of the World by Mark Booth. It's going to open up the doors of esotericism and the doors of mysticism in general for you entirely. You're going to learn so much about spirituality in the right way. Um, I don't think there are this kind of this kind of absolute truths, but they are, every truth is nothing but half truth. And I do recommend you to go in depth about it all. Yeah, I didn't want to make like a hippie kind of video today, but yeah, that's the thing. I guess grounding is making me hippie. Yeah, that's it for today.